So here are 5 hacks which will actually help you unlock the ChatGPT expert mode. And what are these mode is what we are going to be understanding in this particular video. So watch out and let's dig into the prompt number 1. So the prompt number 1 is ask questions until you have the clear information needed to deliver an accurate result. And how do we use it is what we are going to be understanding next.
What we'll do is we'll take a business idea right now and use the same prompt over here.
Build a
Business idea for my AI agent coaching cohort for non-coder or beginners who want to learn AI or AI enthusiasts. Okay, and the only thing which you have to do with these prompts is append these prompts towards the end of any of your normal conversation which you do on any LLM. So I have appended the prompt which we have just shown, and let's hit enter and let's see what it gives. By the way, be it Grok, be it Perplexity, Gemini, Olama, you can apply these hacks everywhere. So it has given us target user segment. Who are these beginners? Be specific. What outcomes should you achieve by end of the course? So I'll just quickly go ahead and answer all the queries. Basically, I've gone ahead and answered all the questions asked by ChatGPT, and now I'm just going to simply hit enter and let's see what it gives. And now you can see it will keep on asking you questions and queries until and unless it reaches to a place where it is 99% sure of what output it will give. Okay, and this particular prompt also helps you analyze that there are a lot of things which you yourself as an owner has not understood and has not given a thought about it. These questions which any LLM is going to be asking you will help you analyze more deeply into your business ideas. So the prompt number 2 is answer as a top expert in this field, focusing on the highest standard of thinking, and that will push your LLM to think like the top 1% of the industry of whichever industry specific questions you are asking. And here's the prompt: and help me build a business idea for my AI agent coaching program cohort for non-coder or beginners who want to learn AI and AI enthusiasts. Answer as a top expert in this field would focusing on the highest standard of thinking. And let's go ahead and see what output it gives. This is basically pushing ChatGPT or any LLM to think in the words of the top 1% of this industry people as they usually do. So now you can see it has gone ahead and given you the answer as is. Here is a complete high level design for your AI agent coaching program cohort for non-coders, beginners. I will break it into 7 parts: customer promise, product delivery, pricing, acquisition, and more. I will also challenge some of your implicit assumptions as we go. And you can see who exactly is this for, and segment A, solo or small team providers, operations and marketing people in SMBs, which is non-coders don't want AI literacy, they want outcome that is tangible, more leads. And now you think of it outcomes which you might have also not thought of when you are just beginning with a business idea. So the prompt number 3 is present a different angle that challenges my current assumptions about the problem. If you're wondering that how do I get all of these prompts which we are using in this video, all the 5 prompts which I'm going to be demonstrating will be delivered right onto your email once you fill in the details asked in the link description box below. And let's move forward with the prompt number 3. So here's the prompt which I have provided over here. I have given that I want to start an AI agency for SMBs, which is small business sizes, but not clear what can I offer them as services or consultations. Present a different angle that challenges my current assumptions about the problem. And I'll just go ahead and put it into the prompt and let's see what it gives. Stop thinking AI agencies selling AI tools to SMBs. The assumption forces you into a low value generic offerings, a sharper frame. Small businesses do not want AI, they want outcomes. Okay, and input SMBs experience operational drag, they lack in-house technical skills, their priority is cash flow and survival. Ask yourself which SMB niche do you understand well enough to guarantee ROI numbers. Your angle shift: you are not offering AI services, you are eliminating revenue leaks. Define success metrics first, then build automation backward. Which business niche you bet on money, you know exactly where they bleed. So basically it has given a very mind-blown hack over here, which it has given us that or selling AI tools to SMBs, less leakage on revenue, and that is what they want to have. And we need to remove the bottlenecks, and that's what this particular prompt has helped us to analyze by just giving a single line of prompt. Number 4 is flag anything that seems unrealistic and replace it with something doable. And let's go ahead and move it onto ChatGPT. So basically, I'm just gonna be continuing in this chat, and I'm gonna see how much more challenging it gets. Flag anything that seems unrealistic and replace it with something which is doable. And I'm just gonna put it that way. The use case for you could be different, but I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. And let's see. Unrealistic items in your plans guarantee ROI numbers without niche expertise or data. Need proof first. Remove 30% of manual admins. Automate lead capture and qualification everywhere. Implies full channel access. 5-second replies everywhere can break context and quality. Double replacements with tighter constraints. Pick one real business outcome. Cut missed leads by 50% in 45 days for X niche. And is what is the power when you have been using this particular prompt. So the prompt number 5 is convert this into a step-by-step checklist which I can execute. And let's go ahead and put that into ChatGPT. Convert this into a step-by-step checklist which I can execute, and I'm gonna just again go ahead with this prompt as it is. Pick a niche you can actually understand. List 3 to 5 SMBs niches you know or have access to. Examples: coaches, real estate agents, salons, clinics. For each niche, write one line. How do they make money? Pick one line where you either already know someone, have worked with them, can talk to 5 business owners in 7 days. Decision: write talk to real business owners before building anything. Goal: find one painful bottleneck you can improve with automation. Select one outcome to focus on. You now choose a single measurable promise. Example: reduce missed leads from WhatsApp, Instagram by 30% in 45 days. Map the single workflow you will automate. So you can see it has created a step-by-step, like it has to be done manually, it has to be done by me. Practically I have to do all these things of starting an AI agencies for SMBs. So there we go, and this is how powerful you can unlock the expert mode, the CEO mode of any LLM, and all these prompts is applicable on any LLM which is Grok, Gemini, Perplexity, and we demonstrated on ChatGPT. You can go ahead and use these 5 prompts. Keep it safe with you, and the link is already there into the description from where you can download all these prompts as it is, and you can use it and you can unlock the expert CEO mode forever into your ChatGPT prompting game. And that's all from my end in this particular video, and do comment your most favorite prompt you liked in all of these 5, and I'll see you in the next video soon.